Hey everyone, today let's dive into a financial showdown between two prominent players in the healthcare sector, Mankind Pharma and Veerhealth Limited. We'll dissect their financial ratios and also peek into some non-financial factors to determine who's really leading the game. First, let's break down Mankind Pharma. This company is a giant in the pharma world with a diversified portfolio. Looking at the financial ratios, Mankind Pharma's return on equity, ROE, stands at an impressive 22%. This indicates efficient reinvestment of earnings, translating into high returns for shareholders. Their debt-to-equity ratio is manageable at 0.5, suggesting a balanced approach to leveraging. The current ratio, a measure of liquidity, is at 1.8, showing they're well positioned to cover short-term liabilities. Now let's switch gears to Veerhealth Limited. Veerhealth is smaller but nimble. Their ROE is respectable at 15%, showing they're also generating decent returns for their investors, though not as high as Mankind. Interestingly, their debt-to-equity ratio is just 0.3, indicating even less reliance on debt. However, the current ratio is 1.2, suggesting their liquidity cushion isn't as robust. Now let's factor in some non-financial elements. Mankind Pharma has a strong brand presence and a broad distribution network, giving them a competitive edge in market penetration. They're also heavily invested in R&D, pushing for innovative treatments, which is crucial for long-term growth. On the other hand, Veerhealth is known for its agility and niche market focus. They tend to adapt quickly to market changes and have a strong foothold in specialized areas. While Mankind Pharma's larger size and extensive portfolio give it a robust revenue stream, Veerhealth's adaptability and lower debt levels can't be ignored. It really boils down to what you, as an investor, prioritize. If you're seeking stability and long-term growth, Mankind Pharma looks like a solid bet. However, if you're interested in agility and potentially higher returns from niche markets, Veerhealth has its own merits. In conclusion, both Mankind Pharma and Veerhealth Limited have their unique strengths. Mankind Pharma's strong financial ratios and market presence make it a safe and attractive option for risk-averse investors. Conversely, Veerhealth's lower debt and niche market agility might appeal more to those willing to take on a bit more risk for potentially higher rewards. Thanks for watching. If you found this analysis helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial insights. See you in the next video.